Tell me if this sounds familiar. Every year, about 2 weeks before Ramadan, a feeling starts in your chest. It is excitement, yes, but underneath the excitement, is there also a little bit of fear? A little bit of anxiety? You tell yourself, this Ramadan will be different. This is the year I change everything. I will read the whole Quran. I will pray Tarawih every night. I will not get angry while fasting. You make big promises to yourself, and you make big promises to Allah. Then, day 1 arrives. You are motivated. Day 3 arrives. You are tired. Day 10 arrives, and you are back to your old habits. The Quran is gathering dust. You are sleeping through Fajr, and you feel guilty. Why does this happen? Why do we crash and burn every year? I will tell you why. Because you cannot build a house on a weak foundation. You cannot run a marathon if you have not left your couch in 11 months. Listen to me closely. You are waiting for the magic of Ramadan to fix you. But Ramadan is not a magic wand. Ramadan is a magnifying glass. It shows you exactly who you already are. If you are undisciplined before Ramadan, you will struggle to be disciplined during Ramadan. Today, in this video, we are going to stop lying to ourselves. We are not going to wait for the moon to be sighted to start changing. We are going to start right now. Today, we are going to talk about how to build iron discipline before the holy month begins, so that when Ramadan arrives, you are not struggling to survive. You are ready to thrive. This is your pre-season training. Are you ready to put in the work? Let's begin. Before we talk about what to do, we need to fix how we think. What is discipline? When many of us hear the word discipline, we think of punishment. We think of being strict. We think it is boring. In Islam, discipline is not punishment. Discipline is freedom. When you are disciplined, your desires do not control you. You control your desires. That is freedom. When you have the discipline to wake up for Fajr prayer, even when the bed is warm, you are free from laziness. When you have the discipline to stop eating when you are full, you are free from gluttony. Think of the Olympic athlete. Do they wait until the day of the Olympics to start training? Of course not. They train for 4 years just for one race. They wake up early when nobody is watching. They eat clean food even when they want pizza. They push their bodies when they are tired. Why? Because they want the gold medal. My brother, my sister, what is our gold medal? Our gold medal is Jannah. Our gold medal is the pleasure of Allah. Is Jannah not worth the same effort as an Olympic medal? Ramadan is the Olympics for the Muslim soul. It is the big race. Right now, the weeks before Ramadan, this is your training camp. If you go into Ramadan without training, your spiritual muscles are weak. When the heavy lifting of fasting and late-night prayers comes, your muscles will fail. We need to shift our mindset from waiting to training. You are a spiritual athlete in training. Repeat that to yourself right now. I am a spiritual athlete. And an athlete does not rely on motivation. Motivation comes and goes like the wind. An athlete relies on systems. They rely on habits. They rely on discipline. We are going to build those systems today. Step 1 in our training is the audit. You have to know where you are starting from. You need to be painfully honest with yourself right now. This is just between you and Allah. No one else needs to know. If Ramadan started tomorrow, what would break first? Would it be your prayers? Are you currently praying all 5 on time, or are you combining them at the end of the day because you are busy? Would it be your tongue? Are you spending your days gossiping, backbiting, or complaining? Would it be your phone addiction? Can you sit for 20 minutes with the Quran without checking social media? Be honest. Where are you weak? Most people try to fix everything during Ramadan. They want to fix their prayers, their diet, their anger, and their knowledge all in 30 days. This is a recipe for failure. If you try to catch 5 rabbits at once, you will catch none. For this pre-Ramadan training, I want you to pick only 2 things. Yes, only 2. What are the 2 biggest barriers between you and Allah right now? Identify them. Write them down. These 2 things will be your focus for the next few weeks. We are not trying to be perfect before Ramadan. We are trying to be stronger than we were yesterday. We are building momentum. Imagine trying to push a car that is stopped. It is very hard to get it moving. That's what day one of Ramadan feels like if you haven't started. Now, imagine pushing a car that is already rolling slowly. It is much easier to speed up. We want to get the car rolling now. Now, let's talk about action. How do we build this discipline practically? We are going to focus on 3 main pillars of pre-Ramadan training. Pillar number 1, the discipline of connection. Your Salah. If your 5 daily prayers are not solid, nothing else matters. You cannot build a skyscraper without a foundation. Salah is the foundation. Before Ramadan comes, don't worry about praying extra sunnah prayers yet. Worry about the fard, the obligatory prayers. Here's your training challenge. For the next week, focus on just one prayer that you usually struggle with. For many people, it is Fajr, or maybe it's Asr during the workday. Commit to nailing that one specific time on time every single day. Just that one. Build the discipline around that specific time. Once that's solid, add the next one. By the time Ramadan arrives, the 5 prayers should be automatic. They should be non-negotiable appointments in your day. This will free up your mental energy during Ramadan for extra acts of worship, like Tarawih. Pillar number 2, the discipline of consumption. What goes into your body and mind. Ramadan is about restraining what we consume: food, water, and media. If you are currently addicted to sugar, caffeine, and scrolling on your phone for 4 hours a day, the first week of Ramadan will be brutal. You will have headaches. You will be irritable. You will not be focused on Allah. You will be focused on your withdrawals. Start weaning yourself off now. This is real discipline. Start reducing your caffeine intake today. Start cutting out the junk food today. And the hardest one, digital discipline. Look at your phone right now. How many hours a day are you wasting looking at other people's lives? Set a boundary before Ramadan starts. Maybe no phone for the first hour after you wake up. Maybe no social media after 8 p.m. Prove to yourself that you are the master of this device, not its slave. If you can't control your thumb when scrolling, how will you control your hunger when fasting? Pillar number 3, the discipline of the heart, the Quran. Many of us have a goal to finish the entire Quran in Ramadan. That's a beautiful goal. But if you haven't opened the Quran in 6 months, reading 1 juz a day will feel impossible. Your heart is not conditioned for it. You need heart cardio. Start today, but start small. Don't aim for a whole chapter. Aim for consistency. Can you read 5 verses a day? Just 5, but you must read them every single day. No excuses. It will take you less than 5 minutes. Do it at the same time every day. Maybe right after Maghrib prayer. Hook the new habit onto an old habit. 5 verses a day now is better than planning 30 pages later and failing. We are building the habit of opening the Book of Allah daily. We are dusting off our hearts. Listen to me. The biggest mistake you can make is to try to be a hero tomorrow. Discipline is not built in huge leaps. It is built in tiny steps that you take over and over. Shaitan loves it when you make huge, impossible goals because he knows you will fail. And then you will feel hopeless. And when you feel hopeless, you give up. We are going to defeat Shaitan with small wins. When you say you will read 5 verses and you actually do it, you get a small win. Your brain says, hey, I'm the kind of person who keeps promises to myself. Your confidence grows. Tomorrow you do it again. Another small win. Suddenly, you have a streak. You have momentum. You start to view yourself differently. You start to see yourself as a disciplined Muslim. Don't despise the small deeds. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that the most beloved deeds to Allah are those that are consistent, even if they are small. Consistently small is better than inconsistently big. Let that sink in. Before Ramadan starts, I want you to gather as many small wins as possible. Stack them up. Build your confidence bank account. So when Ramadan hits and you are hungry and you are tired, you can look back and say, I have been training for this. I am ready. My dear brothers and sisters, the clock is ticking. The blessed guest is almost at our door. Ramadan is a gift from Allah. It's a chance to wipe the slate clean, a chance to get closer to your Creator. Do not disrespect this gift by showing up unprepared. Do not wait for the feeling to strike. Discipline does not wait for feelings. Discipline acts.